What's up, Vols? Thanks for joining us for another one-stop video. My name is Blake, and in this video we're talking about total withdrawals from the university and what you need to know and how it will impact you. So again, thanks for joining us for this tutorial. In this video specifically, we are going to be discussing what a total withdrawal is. We're going to discuss the impact of that total withdrawal on you and your account, and then we're also going to actually show you how to withdraw on your MyUTK account. So first, let's talk about a total withdrawal, what it means, and the impact it has on you. So a total withdrawal is dropping all of your classes once the semester has started. So once classes have started and you decide that you need to drop out of all of your classes for that semester, that is a total withdrawal. It's slightly different from just dropping a class or two on your MyUTK account. In fact, you're not able to drop all of your classes once the semester has started. You have to request a total withdrawal from the university if that's what you're deciding to do. But withdrawing from the university for a semester is almost guaranteed to have an effect on you financially and academically. So it's a very important decision, which means before you make that decision, you're going to want to talk to us at One Stop, and you're going to want to talk to your academic advisor in order to discuss the impact that it can have on you. Specifically at One Stop, we can help you with the financial side, and then your academic advisor can help you with that academic side. But in terms of dropping classes, it can have a significant effect on your financial aid, your charges, your progress towards a degree, which ultimately will affect you financially in the long term as well. So that's what we'd like to talk to you about at One Stop if you are thinking about withdrawing. But when in doubt, don't drop your classes. First, come talk to us at One Stop and your advisor and make a plan. That way you can get through that and make the right decision for you. But with that being said, if you have made that decision that you are going to withdraw from the university, let's talk about how you actually do that on your MyUTK account. So you're going to log into MyUTK, and at the top there you're going to see that tab that says My Resources. Under that, you're going to select that third link there that says Banner Self-Service. Once you've selected that, you're going to hit the Student tab. And once you hit that Student tab, you are going to select Registration. And then finally, at the bottom there, Request to Withdraw. Not leaving the university, you're going to want to hit that one that says Request to Withdraw. And once you do that, it'll load this system here, and you're just going to follow the on-screen prompts. You'll select the term, for instance, summer. It's going to pull up your classes there. You're going to want to read through that information, and then you're going to fill out those forms there. Just a basic reason as to why you're withdrawing, whether it be health or personal reasons or work. And then you're going to let us know if you plan to return and what semester you plan to return. You can also leave us some notes there if you need to explain the situation at all. But once you've submitted all of that, then you're going to hit that Submit Withdrawal Request button. And there you go. You have submitted your withdrawal request from the university. And that's all you have to do. And from there, One Stop and the registrar's office will process your withdrawal request. Now, this is again for after classes have started through the 84th day of the semester. So after the 84th day, starting on the 85th day and to the end of classes, if you are withdrawing, you do have to submit a physical withdrawal form. You can find that form on the One Stop website under the Find Forms section, or you can come to us here at One Stop and we'll be happy to provide that form for you. And once you've filled it out, I recommend either bringing it to us in person or sending it to us via email. But if you're old school like me and you want to mail it or fax it, you can do that too. But once you're done with it, you're going to want to submit it to One Stop, and then we'll get it processed from there. Now, as always with all of this, if you do have any additional questions, or again, you're thinking about withdrawing or need assistance actually submitting the withdrawal, please reach out to us at One Stop. We'll be happy to help you and answer those questions. So you can call us, email us, visit us in person, whatever you'd like, so we can help you through that. Thanks again for joining us for this video. Go Vols.